If you're experiencing the installation loop error 2026 in The Sims 4, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for The Sims 4. Check the official website for the latest specifications and make any necessary upgrades to your hardware. Step 2. Restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve installation issues. Close all applications, restart your computer, and then attempt to install the game again. Step 3. Disable antivirus and firewall. Your antivirus or firewall may be blocking the installation process. Temporarily disable them and try to install The Sims 4 again. Remember to enable them once the installation is complete. Step 4. Repair the game. If you have previously installed The Sims 4, use the game launcher to repair the installation. Open the launcher, go to the game library, right-click on The Sims 4 and select the repair option. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the above steps do not work, uninstall The Sims 4 completely and then reinstall it. Make sure to download the latest version from the official source to avoid any corrupted files. Following these steps should help you resolve the installation loop error 2026. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.